The Mankerlight Timeback 3, a flashlight that goes beyond illumination. Witness the impressive 136 meters reach in energy-saving mode, providing powerful lighting when you need it. Introducing, you'll be amazed to know that a single charge can last for a staggering 360 hours of continuous operation, ensuring you are never left in the dark. Switch to the strobe mode, an essential feature for self-defense, providing you with a powerful tool in unexpected situations. Discover the standout feature, a spinner attached to the body, making it clear that this flashlight is not just about light but also innovation. This incredible flashlight, priced at just $29, outshines the rest. But that's not all. Witness how the Masadu Voyager has transformed the flashlight game.